Hello students, in this video finding the inverse of a given matrix by elementary transformations. Elementary transformations means you know that by elementary row A is equal to IA we have to use for row, and if you are interested to column A is equal to AI, A is equal to AI to change the by using column operation. So in this problem just now I will use elementary row operations. So that's why here A we have to try to change this one in the identity. Then automatically the same operations here, whatever the operations you are applying on matrix A, the same operations on I also you have to apply on right side. So then it will become some matrix A, then matrix B, then that matrix B is inverse of matrix A. So we will see this one. A is equal to IA. So A matrix is 0, -1, 1, 3, -3, 4, 2, -3, 4. So identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into matrix A. Here 0 is there. Whenever in our identity, here 1 should come. So that's why I can exchange R3 and R1. Even R2 also you can exchange, there is no problem. So I am exchanging this one. R3 interchanges R1. So here 2 -3 4. Second row as it is 3 -3 4. 0 -1 1. Here also same 0 0 1. Second row 0 1 0 1 0 0 into matrix A. So whenever here first row first column element should be 1. So that's why I will make this element 1 by multiplying the entire row with 1 by 2. I will change R1. How I am changing is 1 by 2 into R1. 1 by 2 into R1. I will continue here. Here first row I am changing. 1 by 2 means 1. So -3 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. This as it is. 3 -3 4. 0 -1 1 as it is. Here also same. 0 by 2 0, 0 by 2 0, 1 by 2 1 by 2. Here 0 1 0, 1 0 0. Here 1 0 0 into A. Now after changing this one, here 1 is there, you make this element and this element is 0. Already this one is 0. We have to make 3 is 0. So what is the operation we should apply here means R2 I will change. So I will multiply this first row with 3 and I will subtract. So R2 minus 3 R1. R2 minus 3 R1. Now here R1 as this 1 -3 by 2 2. R2 I am changing 3 -3 into corresponding R1 is 1. So this value is 0. Because of this one only we are doing. Now the second element R2 is -3. -3 into corresponding this value is -3 by 2. So this value is -3 plus 9 by 2. So -6 plus 3. This value will be 3 by 2. After taking LCM -6 plus 9. 3 positive 3 by 2. And the last one 4 minus R2 means 4 minus 3 into R1 value with corresponding value is 2. 4 minus 6 minus 2 and remaining as it is 0 -1 1. The same way we will apply the same operation to here also. First row as it is 0 0 1 by 2. R2 we will change. R2 we will change. What is R2 here? 0 minus 3, corresponding R1 value will be 0. So this is 0. Next one, second element 1, R2 means 1 minus 3 into corresponding value is 0. So this value is 1. Next R2 value is 0 minus 3 into R1 value is 1 by 2. So this value is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. This one as it is 1 0 0. 1 0 0. Now after making these elements are 0, you make this element is 1. So how can I make this element 1 means I will change R2. I am multiplying with each and every element of R2 by 2 by 3. By 2 by 3. So that's why 1 minus 3 by 2, 2 as it is. Now 0 into 2 by 3. 0, 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. 1, 2 by 3 into R2 value minus 2. So minus 4 by 3. So this row as it is 0 minus 1 1. The same we will apply for this side also. 0 0 1 by 2 as it is. Now this one 0 into 2 by 3 0. 1 into 2 by 3 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 into R2 value minus 3 by 2. 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel, minus 1. This last row as it is 1 0 0. 1 0 0. Now using this element you make these two elements are 0. How can I make this one means R1 I will change by multiplying this row with 3 by 2 and I will add here R1 plus 3 by 2 R2. Here 3 by 2 into 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 0 will come. Similarly here I want to make this element also 0. Using this one make this element 0, make this element 0. Now R3 I am changing R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2. Now we will apply. Here R1 we are changing. Here 1 plus 3 by 2. Corresponding R2 value is 0. So 1. R1 I return plus 3 by 2. R2 corresponding value is 0. Here R1 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. R2 value is 1. So this value is 0. Now R1 value is 2 plus 3 by 2. Corresponding R2 value is minus 4 by 3. 3 3 cancel, 2 times. 2 minus 2 0. So 1 0 0 1 0 0. Here I return. R2 there is no change. R2 there is no change as it is 0 1 minus 4 by 3. Now R3 we have to change directly. R3 plus R2. 0 plus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 4 by 3 plus 1 3. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 3. Now the same we will apply here also. R1 0 plus 3 by 2. This is 0, this is 1 by 2. Plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So 0 corresponding element will be R2 value will be 0. So this is 0. For this 0 plus 3 by 2, R2 value will be 2 by 3. So this is 1. This is 1. Now R1 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus R2 value will be minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2. So this value is minus 1. 1 minus 1. Now R2 as it is. R2 as it is. 0, 0, 1 by 2. Corresponding value will be 0, 2 by 3 minus 1. Okay. Now R2 as it is. 0, 2 by 3 minus 1. Now here R3 plus R2 directly. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 by 3 plus 0. 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 1. So this is minus 1 as. Now we have to make this element is 1. So I will change R3. Here 1 by 3 is there. Minus 1 by 3 is there. I will multiply with minus 3. I will multiply the entire row of R3 with minus 3. Then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 4 by 3, 0 into minus 3, 0, 0 into minus 3, 0. Here minus 1 by 3 into minus 3 is 1 is equal to this one. 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 by 3 minus 1. Now 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 2 by 3 into minus 3, 2 by 3 into minus 3, 3, 3 cancel minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1, 3, into A will be continuous, A will be continuous. Now, using this element, these two elements you have to make 0. Already this is 0, only this one. So that's why R2 I am changing. What I am doing is R3 elements I will multiply with 4 by 3 and I will add here. So R2 plus 4 by 3 R3. So R1 as it is 1, 0, 0. 0 plus 0, anything, there is no problem here. 0, R2 0 plus 4 by 3, R3 corresponding value is 0. So this value is 0. Here also 1 plus 4 by 3 corresponding R3 value is 0. So 1 minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into 1 R3. So this value is 0. This purpose only we made this operation. So 0, 0, 1. Now here already we are becoming identity matrix. So last operation here also we will apply. 0, 1 minus 1 as it is. Here R2 we are changing. R2. 0 plus 4 by 3. R3 value is minus 3. 3, 3 cancel. Minus 4. And this second element. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into R3 minus 2. 2 minus 8 minus 6 by 3 minus 2. This one minus 1 plus 4 by 3 into R3 3. 3 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 4 3. This value as it is minus 3 minus 2 3 into A. 0 plus my 4 by 3 3 3 cancel minus 4. Okay. Now this is your answer.